In today's video, we are going to show you how to lock the Terabox app so your files stay private and secure. Whether it's photos, videos, or documents, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, open Terabox app, and I want you to hover to the top right, to the top left corner where you can see the settings. And I want you to click the section that says Security Center. All I have to do is turn on the screen lock right here. Now, enter your preferred method, which is going to be putting a pin. Okay, so in my case, and then enter that again to make sure that it's correct. And once you've done that, set it up and confirm to make sure it's working. Okay, close the app and open it again. You should see the lock screen again asking for your PIN, which is I'm about to enter. And basically that's it. Now, no one can access your files without your permission. And basically that's it for today's video on how to lock the Terabox app. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.